Hey guys, here's my CVS mini flower fan. Sorry if I sound a little weird in this video. I just got my braces off and switched to a set of retainers. But anyway, Harbor Breeze on YouTube has a similar version, except it's larger. But they had those at the store, but they were kind of cheap, so I went for this mini version because it's small and it runs on batteries. Here's the back. You can kind of see there is a little jack right there that you can plug an AC adapter in, like a 5-volt adapter to power the fan, and then if you wish, it also takes 3 AA batteries. But anyway, it's a surprisingly decent fan for being from the drugstore, but it blows a good amount of air. I mean, it's decent. So here's on. The noise it kind of makes is annoying. I don't really like it, but it's still a good fan. And there you go, there's my CVS flower fan. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe.